Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we are done with the CSS border. In this video, we will talk about all the things related to font. So CSS font property is used to control the look of the text. By the use of CSS font property, you can change text size, color, style, and more. So here's this sixth thing: font color, font family, font size, font style, font variant, and font weight. Okay, obviously this is used to change colors. First one, then change the face of the font. Size means increase or decrease the size of the font. Style, obviously bold, italic, oblique, etc. Font variant, it will be small, capital, effect, and weight, increase or decrease the boldness. Okay. So first of all, what is font color? Like now, obviously we know we can have a font color with the color name also. It can be in hexadecimal value or it can be by RGB combination. Okay. The next thing is font family. Like first of all, CSS font family is divided into two types. One is the generic family and the second one is the font family. So first of all, what is the meaning of generic family? It includes serif, sans, serif, and monospace. And font family, it specify the font family name like Arial, Times New Roman, etc. Serif font includes small lines at the end of character. Example, serif, it is Times New Roman, Georgia, etc. Something. This is a red serif. You all can see. Okay, that at the end some line or some portion you all can see. But with the sans serif, it is not like that. It does not include the small line at the end of characters. And example will be Arial, etc. And this is all about font size. Like we can have a small, medium, large, or smaller, larger, or you can also define the size in a pixel or percentage. So here is the table which you can use. Okay. And then CSS font style, it will be normal, it can be italic, it can be oblique. Variant, it can be normal or it can be small capital. Effect and weight, it will be like in the form of number also, like from 100 to 900. And if you want to write, you can write also normal, bold, bolder, lighter, etc. Okay, so now we will check the example of this. Okay, here is the example. Like in the body section, we have one paragraph, that is this is paragraph. And here in the head section, we have our style sheet, and we have used internal style sheet. And we are going to give all these font attributes or properties, like we can say, to this paragraph only. So we are writing P opening bracket, then the color for the text will be red. Font family we have used is sans serif. Size will be small. If you want, you can write large also, whatever. Style will be italic. Variant will be small, capital or caps. And font weight will be 200. Okay, let's check the output of this first. Yeah, so this is what we are getting: italic, or of that weight will be 200, and small capital and all that thing. Suppose if I change, okay, suppose if I keep this as large, and this font weight as 900, maximum value, control S. See, this is now the difference. See, because it is very bold now, actually 900, and still it is in the italic form. And just the font size also we have increased to large. Okay, so that is all about CSS font. Thank you everyone.